Huh? A pot I've got around here.
We need you to move them. Can you go move that? He saw the balloon. What you think? Josh, what do you think of face?
He's speechless.
Happy birthday, happy graduation, and the rest of your life. Happy next year.
I call shotgun on the first round.
I call shotgun.
Josh, what do you think?
I think he's speechless.
I think he is too. Huh?
What you think, bud? This is your car.
No, it's automatic.
It's automatic.
Hey, get out of that car. You got to lift this pot over here.
Oh my gosh.
Here,
What do you
pop,
think?
pop the trunk. So
Do
you
you
can
like
look
it?
at
Yes, I do. Huh? Look at the camera. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Are you surprised? Once I saw it, no.
Should have not done the balloons.
He looks surprised to me.
I know.
I could throw Caleb in there.
You could throw Caleb in there. Well, here, come stand beside it so we can take a picture.
Yeah, that's a nice
It could
car.
Be your new profile picture on Facebook.
Very nice.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's get a picture.
Wait, should we get one from the front?
Well, we're not here. I'm trying to get the balloons and everything.
There'll probably be more than one, I'm just guessing.
1, 2, 3. Awesome. She's been videoing for us.
Oh my
Well, I guess until the pollen stops falling, he'll be washing it twice a day.
I know.
That's right.
I know.
I'll ride with Josh.
So what do you think? Do you like it? Huh?
Yes. I'm not gonna cry.
It's okay.
Very
He's
nice.
excited.
Yeah, very nice.
We figured since you were starting your job in Wake Forest on Monday, you needed a car to get there.
Hey, Josh.
This thing looks like brand new inside.
I know.
Outside too. You get out of the way so you can look at it.
Open up the hood.
I don't know how much I got
Yeah,
back
let's
there.
check out that motor.
I know you'll have to learn
It's
everything.
blending in. And it's the Ford Fusion too.
It's not that Ford Fusion.
Hey,
That one got sold. This one's
It's
even
up
better.
it's a Ford Fusion.
That thing even got a spoiler on the back of it.
Yeah. And power moonroof, the whole
Did you see
deal.
the sunroof, Josh?
It looks like somebody shampooed that. Very nice. Ray, do you think you'll work this?
I don't know. Charles, well, Chevrolet.
We can put an Auburn tag on there if we want to. No Oregon tag.
Yes, I am happy. I'm just sort of in
I
shock.
know.
We can tell you're kind of speechless.
Which is unusual.
It doesn't happen much.
And you got balloons.
That's what gave it away.
Yeah, because I think I had even seen the car at some point today. Maybe from whenever we were playing over there.
It's her car right there. She has a white car.
I don't.
It
Wait.
was parked out right there.
It was parked right there.
Yeah, so I had seen the car there, and then once you were like, I'm gonna video, or let's see if you've got
He's
those muscles.
smart.
I'm like,
We've had company all day. Somebody drove that car up here.
Well, crank it up.
Yes.
Yeah, let me see. I want to see if it runs.
I wonder if I can back this down.
You probably couldn't back up. Fine.
We better get out of the way for it.
They even put a brand new set of tires on it. He said the tires on it only have 36,000 miles, and he said they still got wear on them. He said, but I can still